Hello, my name is Sheena Geiger, and I'm originally from Nova Scotia, Canada. I have been a teacher for the last 4 years. I spent my first 3 years as a teacher down in North Carolina in the United States, where I started the French Core program. I also developed all the curriculum and just brought French into that area. So, unfortunately, because of the economic downturn, they eliminated the French program at my private school. So, I spent a year just kind of nannying and teaching French on the side as well as volunteering at the hospital. I have been a professional cheerleader for 3 years also while I was down in the United States and just absolutely loved it. I was so fortunate to have danced and sang the Canadian national anthem at the hockey games and just had a wonderful time. And part of doing cheerleading is also doing the volunteer experiences as well as the appearances. And one little girl stood out in my mind especially. So we've done appearances all over the South and especially in the hospitals, which I absolutely loved. And I met this little girl named Ellie. Unfortunately, her parents did not have enough money to help her out with all of her treatments, and they just had a real financial burden on them. So they turned to our professional team in order to help them out. So that we sponsored them, we did spotlights on them at the games and things like that. She just absolutely touched my heart. She was a beautiful 8-year-old girl named Ellie, and with, I believe, cancer called myosarcoma, which is a cancer where it attacks the muscles. And anyway, she was just a beautiful little girl, her and her twin sister, and I've just been absolutely inspired to come back to school and help children like her as a pediatric oncologist. So, that being said, unfortunately, because of, again, the economic downturn and not many jobs being in North Carolina, I've come home to Canada, and I'm currently a high school teacher up in the Northwest Territories, trying to save some money so I can go back full-time to school. I have applied and have been accepted into the pre-medical degree program at the University of North Carolina in Charlotte. I plan to start this May. Actually, I've already started. I'm currently, while I'm teaching full-time and volunteering with the ambulance part-time, I'm also studying part-time, taking some online courses while I'm here. So I'd like to continue, go back to North Carolina this summer, this May, and start again, finish off my pre-medical degree. It'll take me about a year and a half. Again, since I am trying to save some money, but I do have mortgages and bill pays and car payments, I unfortunately won't have enough to finish off the year. So I'm looking into scholarships, and especially this Dream Big Scholarship. I can't imagine having a more perfect fit. I've always been a dreamer. I've always followed my dreams and have done some amazing things because of this, and I would really like to inspire other children in order to live happy, healthy lives. And I feel like I've done that within the classroom, and now I'm prepared to do that with terminally ill children within the hospital as well, and just kind of inspire them to hopefully get better. And anyway, I look forward to hearing from you soon. Thank you so much for considering me for this Dream Big Scholarship, and take care.